Hello, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to go over whether you can still see your friends' Instagram activity. So previously, Instagram let you basically be able to stalk and see what other people are liking and what they're commenting on. If you go on Instagram here and you tap on the little heart icon at the bottom here, it used to say activity, and then right next to it had your followers activity. And in recent updates, they basically removed that as an option. You can't see your followers' activity anymore. You can obviously see who's commented on your post and your activity, but you really can see other people's activity. Basically, they removed that feature. You might see some videos where it says download this and gets you random app and then log in. Most likely, that's just going to steal your password and be pretty sketchy. One of these things you can do to see others people's activity is you'll notice in this little post right here on the top. Things you can do to see other people's activity is you'll notice in this little post right here on the top, you can see like, by, and others. So that's somebody that I also follow. So you can see some activity in your post. You can see if some other people that you also follow have liked that picture as well. So if you go down, you might see that other few places. So here's the one that is liked by. So these are examples where you can still see what other people are doing and interacting with. But ultimately, you can't really have a list. There is no followers activity list anymore. Instagram removed that, so kind of a shitty update where you can talk to your friends and see what's they're up to anymore. But that's just how it is. So let us know if you have any questions in the comments below and make sure to subscribe and like.